Hi, friends at home. It's Miss Saxon in the Media Center, and I have a fun book to read with you this week. This is sort of the season that we talk about spooky things, and I was thinking about the idea of superstitions. Maybe the idea of things that bring us good luck, things that bring us bad luck, and I also wanted to talk about wish tree a little bit because making a wish is sort of like a superstition. It's throwing a coin in the fountain or maybe tying something on the wish tree, like in the wish tree book. And I had a book I thought was really fun that's about Scaredy Squirrel at night. Now, Scaredy Squirrel is always worried. He's always worried about danger and he's always expecting the worst. But this book is about avoiding bad dreams. And we all want to do that. Sometimes it's terrible to have a bad dream, and I hope you guys don't have bad dreams. But Scaredy Squirrel is determined to not have any bad dreams. So this book is on Epic, and it has a warning label. It says, "Warning, Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone check under their beds before reading this book." So if you're at home, maybe you can check under your bed or look all around and make sure there's no danger. Scaredy Squirrel never sleeps. He'd rather stay awake than risk having a bad dream in the middle of the night. So he's very determined to stay awake by keeping busy all through the night. Side effects of sleepless nights might include energy loss, moodiness, poor reflexes, forgetfulness, drowsiness, hallucinations, and confusion. It actually feels terrible to get not to sleep at night. And exhaustion. That's when Scaredy Squirrel comes face to face with something very alarming. He looks at his horoscope and it says what the stars predict for you. Now, Scaredy Squirrel's birthday is between September 23rd and October 22nd, and that makes him a Libra. And it says, "Get ready. At midnight, all your dreams will come true." That's a disaster for Scaredy Squirrel. There's not a minute to lose. It's time to prepare for the worst. A few things that Scaredy Squirrel needs to face his bad dreams: a spotlight, cupcakes, banana peels, fire extinguisher, safety cones, fan, teddy bear decoy, sign, pillow and blanket, and molasses, sticky molasses. So his bad dream action plan: he's got a fire extinguisher to keep his dragon away. He has a ghost, and so he has a fan to blow the ghost away. There's an upside down sign that says, "Please do not disturb," because bats hang upside down and he wants to make sure the bats can read it. There's a cupcake for the fairies, and the cupcake is supposed to distract them because, as we know, fairies have a sweet tooth. There is molasses for the unicorn if it gets sticky and maybe it'll slow the unicorn down. He's got a spotlight to show everything, and he has a decoy. The teddy bear under the blanket is supposed to trick them and think that that's Scaredy Squirrel when actually Scaredy Squirrel is safe. So it's a very elaborate plan of action. Scaredy Squirrel gets into position, and as he comes down to midnight, his bad dreams seem to come true one by one. Look, that looks like a ghost, and that looks like a bat, and that looks like a unicorn and a monster. What are they? He turns on the spotlight, and it's not any of those things. Look, it's the raccoon with a blanket on his head. It's him holding the safety cone, and that looks like the unicorn. Everything is just normal. There's a porcupine with a cupcake. It's none of the things he was worried about. This is not part of his plan. He panics. He steps into the sticky molasses. He stumbles over a safety cone. He slips and slides on a banana peel. He lands on a pillow. Now he plays dead, and he falls asleep. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 8 hours later, Scaredy Squirrel finally wakes up. Benefits of a good night's sleep may include energy gain, happiness, better reflexes, sharper memory, good health, peacefulness, and cleverness. and clear thinking. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about his bad dreams and he realizes it was just his imagination and nothing horrible happened in the night. A good sleep has inspired him to get rid of a few things and replace his horoscope with something more trustworthy. A fortune cookie. And his fortune cookie says, "Sweet dreams." P.S. As for the fire extinguisher, a squirrel can never be too careful. So I hope you guys don't worry at night and have bad dreams. But sometimes we do kind of worry about things, but a lot of times it's like Scaredy Squirrel, that things may seem scarier than they actually are. And so I hope this book is kind of a fun story for you. I have some other fun things for you to check out this week, but I hope you have a good week. Thank you.